Yo, what's up guys? In this video we are going to talk about a service that I have used, two services actually, that I have used successfully to grow Instagram accounts, for what, 2 years now. These are two very high quality services, been around for a long time. I'm super happy with them. Can highly, fully, 100% recommend them to other people who are looking to grow their own Instagram account or possibly the Instagram account of a client if you want to white label or resell their services. Okay, so before we get into that, if you guys like these videos about digital marketing, then subscribe to my channel. I put out videos as often as I can, every day, lately, every day, let's say every day. Also, if you get some use out of my videos and you want to give back and you don't want to buy any of this stuff in my description, it's like affiliate stuff, and maybe you want to give me I don't know, 10 bucks a month to encourage me to keep making good videos, go to my Patreon page and go support me on Patreon. Give me a couple bucks. I put all of the money that I earn over there into, I reinvest it into my YouTube channel so I can grow them as fast as possible. Also, go check out my my fitness YouTube channel. I've got a fitness YouTube channel as well, where I talk about fitness, health, fasting, and some maybe non-mainstream fitness stuff that you don't see on other YouTube channels or in the mainstream media. Okay? Yeah, that's it. All right, so this video, we're going to talk about two services that I personally like. The first one is Fuelgram.com. Okay, now if you know nothing about Instagram or Instagram marketing or how pages get traction on Instagram, that I'm going to show you right now. And I'll show you some of my own personal Instagram pages that I have successfully used with these services to boost my own stuff. Okay, so what is Fuelgram.com? This is essentially what's called an engagement group service. Okay, now what is an engagement group? Think of it let's say you have 100 accounts, 100 people who want to grow their accounts. So what these 100 people will do is they will all like each other's posts, and obviously the way Instagram works is that when they determine the value of a post, whether it's good or not, is by how many likes and how many comments and how many shares and how many people tag each other and stuff like that in the actual post itself. Okay, so what this does, you pay a fee every month to join one of these groups, and then they will like your stuff automatically, boosts your ranking, gets you more exposure, and will help you grow faster. So I think I still have an account. Yeah, I have an account here. Let's see. Log in. Yep, that's me. Okay, so the cool thing about this is that these groups, let's take a look at this one, Fuel Group 100,000. The more followers your account has on Instagram, the more weight your likes have, okay? And the same thing with your comments, right? So if you have, I'll show you one of my accounts right here. Arts Lovers. This is my biggest account, all right? It's 231 followers. Gets pretty good engagement. This is actually dropped because I haven't been putting as much love into it as I should. But this account, 231 followers, so this would be able to join this group. Okay, now I believe that there is also a group 250,000. No, okay, so it goes straight from 100,000 to 500,000. So I've got a ways to go. Now, the cool thing is that when I join this group, right, let's say, I'm not sure if yeah, okay, so it's still paid for. And let's take a look at this, right? So you choose one account to give likes and you choose one account to get likes, right? So this account, Arts Lovers, will give lots of likes, and the account that will get likes is my personal account. This is my personal account, Your Time to Shine 111. And again, I haven't been putting nearly enough time into my Instagram accounts as I should. I posted this maybe 2 weeks ago, and then this most recent post before that was a month maybe. When did I even post this? February 19th. Oh my God, 2 months ago. Oh my God. All right, I really need to get back on this Instagram stuff. But the point is that every time I make a post on this account, right, I will get 100 likes from very high quality, powerful accounts that have at least 100,000 followers. So that's very good, right? So basically all of these hashtags that I'm using, right, or a lot of these hashtags, the less competitive ones, it's much more likely that I will get ranked for these, okay? And that's kind of the name of the game, okay? So like when you post on Instagram or really any social media, you want engagement, right? That's what these like social media sites want from you. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, like whatever it is, they want to see that when you post videos or pictures or whatever, that people are engaging with it, okay? That's how they determine whether or not it's good. And essentially what you're doing is you're using Fuelgram to stimulate that engagement, okay? If you're able to give yourself 100 likes or 200 likes or 500 likes or whatever it is right off the bat, then it's much more likely that you're going to get ranked for whatever keywords you're using or hashtags you're using. Okay, now the cool thing, if we go back here, is that if I click manage slots here, I've got another account, right? This is another account that I have. This is a bunny account. Don't ask me why. But the idea with Instagram is like people like niche accounts, okay? It's the same with YouTube really, but like people like accounts that are only about the same thing, right? Like people who like bunnies, they love freaking bunnies, man. Let me tell you, they're like, and this video has amazing engagement. Look at this, like 80,000 views on this. It's insane. 350 comments. Like, look at all these comments. It's a bunny with a baby. Like, don't these people have anything better to do with their time? No, obviously not. But like, I mean, I don't know, man. That's what they do, right? So like, and this account has no love going to it from Fuelgram. It's just been determined by Instagram that this is like an account that posts good content based on their algorithm. So I get a ton of love from like, the algorithm, I guess. I just posted this one today. That's why it's low. Okay, now the cool thing, if you look here, if we click on this, we'll see that this account is giving likes and my personal account is getting likes. So we've got 100 likes from the last account, from accounts that have over 100,000 followers. And this account, this is bloggers. It's getting 250 likes here. Now, the thing with this is this has, these accounts that are giving the likes have at least 1,000 followers. Now this is probably a bad group to be in now that I look at it. So we're actually going to change this. How do I change this? Switch to groups view. Other groups. So I think we should join the 50,000 group. Okay, so I'm actually in this 50,000 group. Why is that off? Let's turn that on. Oh, I don't have 50,000 followers, that's why. Account to give likes, let's change that to Bunny Little Life. Account to get likes. Let's see if that works. Boom, baby, done. All right, so now, every time I make a post, I'm going to be getting 100 likes from the account, from the group with 100,000 followers. I'm getting 200 likes, right? Let's see if I can increase that. Yeah, 200 likes. I can post 2 times per day, right? It's going to wait 60 minutes. Like, I guess if you like make it only 15 minutes, it's not going to work as well because it's going to seem more like a bot. But if you spread the likes out, let's say over an hour, like let's increase this to 90 minutes. Maybe that will, actually let's keep it at 60 minutes. It's automatically set at 60 minutes. I don't want to change it. Okay, settings, accounts, done. All right. And then I guess let's change, let's see here. Maybe make this one 20,000. I don't want to activate that. Get free slot. I wish I could get a free slot there. Click me to start. Yeah, so if you have 500,000 followers, then this group is free, right? Because like the idea is like, yeah, okay, you're liking all the other people in this group, but this company, Fuelgram, for sure is like using you to like other pages, their own pages. They're probably like reselling these likes like in another area, which like, yeah, okay. Maybe join the fitness group. Earn free trial slot. Provider. I'm a fitness person, I guess. Your time to shine, your time to shine. See, I want to join actually the 50,000 or the 20,000. Not sure why. Why is that letting me do that? Okay, so 2 Just 'cause the month is, okay, so I'm about to be rebilled for this. Anyway, I'll deal with that later, but like I have an extra slot. Oh, I know what it is. All right. Where is my 50K group? Manage slots? No, that's not working. That's weird. Manage slots. Anyway, I'll mess with it later, but you guys get the idea. Like, join the engagement groups, and there's other stuff you can do here. There's like power services, right? You've got something called power likes, power comments, which is like, these are, you know, what is this? Okay, so I guess they've lumped these all together. You pay €1. I think that says 1, right? Or does that say 11? Oh god, that says 11. Holy shit. So if you pay €800, you get 100 posts, 8 per post. So this is essentially, they've lumped all of these together, right? So what does this mean? Let's go back here. So if you pay €11, okay, you'll get 500 likes, 500 impressions and views, and 30 comments for your post. Now, this is for like brands who want to run a long campaign, because like one is not going to do anything. At €800, it's like $1,000. Okay, so it seems expensive, and to be honest with you, like Instagram is probably not like the best service for you to be like paying to boost anymore. Like, I mean, it's good, it's still very hot, but like, is it good for every business? Like, not really. Okay, but if you want to do it, it's very useful, and this is like the way to like fast track it. But honestly, for $1,000, I'd rather just buy an account that has like 500,000 followers already and just rebrand that account. And there's places you can do that as well. I'll show you that in another video. Cool. So if you guys got some value out of this video, then click subscribe. Check out my fitness channel. Put some links in the description. Just click them. You'll be automatically subscribed as well. I put some good stuff there. If you got some value out of this video or my other videos, and you love my channel and you love my content and you want to support the dream, the cause, becoming a personal or a professional internet celebrity, that's my dream. That's what I want to be when I grow up. Go support me on Patreon. Throw me a couple bucks every month. And, you know, I have some other offers, other cool stuff on there as well that you can get. Cool? Okay, so subscribe, comment, like, peace.